STRATOS XL Woodturning with Precision, the top model in the STRATOS machine series. The aim in developing this lathe was to build a solid and smooth-running machine, which, thanks to its versatility, offers countless possibilities in workpiece design for beginners as well as advanced and professional woodturners. The STRATOS XL is ideal for turning large, heavy workpieces, but also for turning small writing implements and miniature items, and for spindle turning with long workpieces. The STRATOS XL has proven itself in many wood-turning workshops throughout Europe and has recently been upgraded. The main features of the STRATOS XL are high weight of approximately 320 kilograms and exceptionally smooth operation, thanks to its heavy cast iron bed, stand, headstock, tailstock, and banjo modular design with a total of 7 mounting points for an optional additional bed, powerful 3 HP motor, and high-quality frequency inverter, various accessories and practical extensions available. The STRATOS XL is equipped with a very solid, swiveling and sliding headstock made of cast iron. Its center height of approximately 280 mm above the bed and can be increased accordingly by swiveling the headstock and by outboard turning with additional accessories. The optionally available additional bed is a big advantage for the STRATOS system. The option of mounting it in the middle of the bed not only extends the center height to 330 mm, but also makes working very comfortable and ergonomic. Regardless of whether you are turning bowls or hollow vessels, an optimum posture and a secure stand are guaranteed when outboard turning. The spindle itself is European standard with a spindle thread of M33 by 3.5 mm, an empty toe taper, and a groove for fixing an optional ASR Euro-locking ring. Matching accessories can be securely fastened with an optionally available ASR Euro-locking ring. This prevents the workpiece from unwinding, for instance during braking. The 3 HP motor in conjunction with the high-quality frequency inverter provides sufficient power even for turning very large and heavy workpieces. The power is transmitted via an extra-wide poly V belt running on one of 3 belt steps. The belt unit is easily accessible for quick changing. Safety has also been taken into account here. If the belt cover is opened unintentionally during operation, a limit switch ensures that the machine comes to a secure standstill. Thanks to the frequency inverter, a wide speed range is ensured on every belt step, and the speed is clearly shown on both LED displays. The motor is controlled using a magnetic mobile control box, which can be individually attached to the metal parts of the machine. A further speed display on this control box makes reading the current speed even easier and more convenient. The on and off switch and a toggle switch for changing the direction of rotation are also located there. The start button lights up when the machine is running. A yellow warning light indicates that the machine is in reverse mode. The housing of the frequency inverter, which is mounted on the left-hand machine stand, has 2 practical sockets with a voltage of 230 volts for plugging external devices such as lamps or power tools with a total output of up to 1,200 watts. In addition, the frequency inverter houses the main switch and a 2-stage brake switch. This allows the braking time to be changed from standard to slow for processing heavy workpieces securely. The extended braking time means that even larger and unbalanced workpieces can be braked safely. The STRATOS XL also has a 24-position indexing device at 15-degree intervals. The setting can be read via a window on the belt cover or directly in the belt housing and is operated by a screw at the front. The tray on the headstock is equipped with a magnet for the safe storage of small parts such as screws or similar items. After having swiveled the headstock, the machine can easily be realigned thanks to the stop at the lathe end. If it is, for special applications, necessary to precisely align headstock and tailstock at a different position on the bed, a double taper is included with the machine.
This taper is inserted into the tailstock and moved towards the still unfixed headstock.
The tailstock and the headstock are now precisely aligned in its position. The headstock can now be fixed. The machine bed with the solid stands not only impress with their solid cast iron construction, but also with the precise manufacturing of the sliding surface. The heavy cast iron headstock slides effortlessly on it, as well as the tailstock and the banjo.
The wide cast iron legs ensure optimum stability.
Adjustable feet with a big 20 mm thread level the machine perfectly. If necessary, optionally available machine risers made of steel can be added to adapt the machine to tall users' body height. The basic bed length of 1,400 mm results in a distance between centers of around 780 mm. This distance can be extended accordingly. For this, the machine has a modular design with various possibilities to mount an optionally available additional bed.
This can be attached to the bed or cast iron legs in a total of 7 positions, thus opening up a very wide range of possibilities.
The additional bed can be used as a bed extension. It can be mounted at the center of the bed for extra ergonomics when working, or it can be used as outboard turning attachment. This allows turning diameters of up to 1,000 mm to be achieved. In this case, an optional support is ideally used to ensure even greater stability. The additional bed can also be mounted on the face of the leg where the headstock is located.
If the position of the additional bed needs to be changed quickly between operations, further options can be added.
Easy quick change system for easy repositioning of the additional bed to the desired position. Easy swing hinged swing away system for swinging away the additional bed. The solid tailstock can simply be swung away for mounting machine accessories.
If you need an even larger distance between centers, you have several options. With an additional bed, you achieve a distance of around 1,280 mm.
When using the bed extension XL 1400, including an additional support, you achieve a distance between centers of around 2,100 mm. The banjo is, in relation to the machine size, massively dimensioned to ensure that the STRATOS XL meets all requirements when turning. The machine is supplied with a cast iron tool rest with a diameter of 400 mm. The diameter of the tool rest post is 30 mm. The solid construction continues with the tailstock. The tailstock quill is driven via a smooth-running trapezoidal thread and has a travel of 150 mm. The scale on the quill makes it easy to read how far the quill is extended. The quill can easily be removed and replaced by an optionally available ER25 tailstock quill, allowing the use of ER25 collets and chucks. This prevents any loss of distance between centers when a drill chuck is used. The basic equipment of the machine includes MT2 4-point drive center, MT2 live center, tool rest 400 mm, faceplate 150 mm made of steel with a groove for a ASR Euro-locking ring, MT2 double taper, and wheel made of steel. The following optional accessories are currently available. Additional bed with 500 mm, support with shaft extension for the tool rest, optionally available as a set with the additional bed 500 mm, bed extension 1,400 mm, Easy XL quick change system, Easy Swing XL swing away system, takeaway system for the tool rest, machine risers made of steel,